Let's kick off with football. New Reggae Boys head coach Hallgrimsson, who was unveiled today, says it will not be business as usual under his tenure. The Icelandic coach also overturned the non-selection of goalkeeper and captain Andre Blake by bringing him back into the fold.
The move to appoint Hallgrimsson as head coach has been described as a game changer by JFF President Michael Ricketts, and Hallgrimsson wasted no time in introducing himself as the builder, one who is here to correct what has gone wrong with the program. That's a similar attitude he went to Qatar with after guiding Iceland to the World Cup. Only thing, he went in with the wrong mindset.
I was in Qatar for 3 years, came there like I thought I was the best coach in the world, went to Qatar, wanted to all the players there to become Icelandic players with the Icelandic mentality, but sure, I hit the wall there. So now I'm experienced enough to know that I have to adapt to the Jamaican culture. I have to learn about how you do things here before I start to tell people, you know, all the things, what I want them to do.
Hallgrimsson, who agreed he knows little about Jamaica's football, says based on what he has seen lately, a lot needs to change.
Most of the games I see where my strength is as a coach, and I think maybe possibly the president and the board saw that. My strength as a coach is to organize things, and I think the team has been a little bit disorganized. Again, the potential of the players is, in my opinion, below the quality of the matches. So I'm pretty good at maximizing players' potential.
Stability is another area that the new coach says that his focus will be on going forward with the squad.
We cannot be playing 100 players and always starting from zero to try to implement our thoughts. Now as 10 new players next game and we have to start from zero. We always have to build on what we were doing. So stability is number one and continuity is number two. And then you have to have the players to fit. So you basically give the players chance and you build on them. If they are good, they continue. If they're not good, the others will take the place.
When the squad was announced to play against Argentina in the September 27 friendly, one name stood out on the missing list, and that's goalkeeper and skipper Andre Blake. But Hallgrimsson pulled the first rabbit out of the cap, with Blake making a return, with everyone starting with a clean slate.
And I hope that all the things that have happened in the past is in the past. I hope when we start, we don't take problems from the past to the present. Yeah, it was now in the press is a lot written about Andre Blake, the captain of the team. For me, it's in best case scenario a little bit embarrassing. But I can tell you here, we had a talk, the case is settled, he is in the squad.
Despite down to take charge of the Argentina friendly this month, Hallgrimsson's contract officially starts in January of next year and has put pen to paper on a 4-year deal. Jerome Foster, TVJ Sports.